Hey guys, if you're tired of shopping on Amazon and the big box stores for cheap quality landscape lighting, then go and check out lightingdoctor.ca, where we only sell premium quality fixtures that we actually install, and you can actually have the chance to go and test it and feel it for yourself with our try it before you buy it offer, where you can get a premium quality landscape light at a discounted rate and go and test it out with a battery pack around your property. Keep it for 14 days. If you love it, you get to keep it at the discounted rate. If not, you send it back for a full refund. And then you just have to buy the lights that you need after that. So go and check out our try it before you buy it lights and see what a real premium quality landscape lighting fixture should look like at lightingdoctor.ca. If you're tired of shopping on Amazon and the big box stores for all the cheap lights, let me show you what a real premium quality fixture should look like with our try it before you buy it offer, where you can actually go and buy one of our premium quality fixtures at a discounted rate and try it out for 14 days. And it comes with a King Innovation Instalight that you can simply just go plug that light in and test it out on your property and see what's gonna look best. And if you love it, you get to keep it at the discounted rate and just buy any additional lights that you need on top of that. And if you don't, you just send it back for a full refund. So go and check it out at lightingdoctor.ca. And for more helpful landscape lighting tips, go and search YouTube for Lighting Doctor.
It's really loud here. We're right by the street, but this will bring home my point. We had a palm tree right behind me here, and initially when we'd kind of done the first testing, played with our Instalight, our thought was we're going to make these palm trees close to the street look really good from the street side so that people driving by, walking by really get the full effect. But what happened last night, we turned everything on, we tested it, and we had some other trees on the property, beautiful palm trees that we had lit up from a different viewing angle, so from the homeowner's viewing angle. So the point of this topic is keep in mind your viewing angle. Where do you want that feature that you're lighting to look best? And that's where you want to place that light, because what we found is that the homeowner liked the way all the other trees on the property looked so much that they didn't care so much that the people on the street got the great view, and they're still going to because we're pushing light up into that canopy, so they're going to see that. But they wanted to see the cool, unique features of the trunk of the palm trees and all that. So we ended up just moving the light right around the tree, 180 degrees on the other side. And now the street guys are still getting the view of the top lit up palm leaves, but now the homeowner gets to view the trunk and the other features more. So my point is just keep in mind your viewing angle and try and walk the property or sit in the areas that you think you're going to want to see these things the most. There's a backyard area that we did the same thing, that originally we had like 12 lights planned for this one area, and just by keeping in mind the viewing angles and which way we were going to see things, we reduced that down to like 5 lights, because we realized we didn't need to light everything because we're not going to see all those different features and stuff. And just by lighting 5 of those in key spots and trying to fill some dark spots, having some consistency with spacing of lighting, we're able to go from 12 to 5 lights just by keeping in mind that viewing angle a little bit more. So that's one thing that you always want to do, and that's why that battery pack is such a good thing, because you can go set that up on a tree or a statue or whatever it is. You can go sit back on the area that you think you're going to be looking at it from. You can go and walk the property with that light lit up and see if that's actually where you want that light, if that's a viewing angle you're looking for. So always keep in mind viewing angles, not just from the outside, but even from the inside. Where are you going to be viewing that the most? Where we are up in Calgary, Canada, it's cold in the wintertime. I'm pretty much only seeing those lights from my kitchen table. I'm not going outside to look at them. So I want to keep those viewing angles in mind too. So just a quick tip about viewing angles. Always keep that in mind when you're designing a landscape lighting system.
So what you're going to find in your try it before you buy it landscape lighting kit is 4 things. You're going to find our RS uplighting fixture from FX Luminaire. You're going to find our wash lighting fixture from FX Luminaire, and you're going to find our path lighting fixture from FX Luminaire, which are 3 of the most used lights that we use in any of our landscape lighting projects. And along with that, it's going to come with a King Innovation Instalight, which is a battery pack that's going to allow you to go and test out these lights on your property to see which lights are going to look best where. The Try It Before You Buy It kit is a chance for you to go and feel the difference between a good quality light and a premium quality fixture and the poor quality lighting that you're going to find online and in a lot of other stores. So you get to test those lights out for 14 days, go and plug them in, test them out on your property, see what's going to look best, and if you don't love it, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. And if you do, you keep those lights at a discounted rate and you just get whatever else you need. And then to help you with that, we've come up with our free consultations where you can actually send me pictures of your property and we're gonna help determine what are gonna be the best lights to use in the best spots around your property to make your landscape lighting project run as smooth as possible. So I hope you guys take advantage of our try it before you buy it kit with our uplight, our wash light, and our path light. And I look forward to hearing from you. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you guys got some great tips and I hope you guys take advantage of your own free video consultation where you can send me a few pictures of your property and I'm gonna get back to you with your own personalized video presentation with all kinds of tips and tools of how to go and light your own property. So to get that, go check us out at lightingdoctor.ca or just email me a few pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca.